it going? Here we are in Sligo. Beautiful weather welcoming us, and we're about to go and see the Devil's Chimney. Follow me. 20-25 minutes of walk ahead of us to get to the chimney. Beautiful surroundings, mountains all around. I'm impressed. Nice weather finally. So we had like 2.5 hours drive from Dublin, and here we are now. Look at them donkeys we came across over there. Some cool viewpoint. You can take some nice pictures over here. And beautiful views all around. Nearly there. Almost there. Now going down this way. And that's the waterfall. Yeah, man. Nearly there. Like, the walk itself isn't too bad. Anyone can do it. The little enchanted forest. And that's where it gets a bit more tricky. I'm sure we're gonna manage. Yeah, there's a little rainbow there. Can you see that little rainbow over there? So here we are, guys. That's the tallest waterfall in Ireland. And we find ourselves in Sligo. That's the Devil's Chimney, it's called. It's so magical. That rainbow there, you can touch it, man. Can you grab it? Grab the rainbow. There's some like pools over there if you fancy cold wild swim in cold mountain water. waterfall, absolutely stunning. I would recommend it to anyone who's in the area to check it out. Come and see it. So now we head in. There's a few different locations we'd like to see, like the Ben Bulbins, which is on my right now, the Table Mountains, and then there's the Eagle Rock as well, so that's the other way. And there's also Horseshoe kind of formation with some smaller waterfall over there. So yeah, we'll see if we're gonna get there. And then at the very end, we're gonna head to the town of Sligo for some nice burgers, and of course some Guinness. Okay, so we just stopped with the car just to see the waterfall from different perspective as we go towards the Eagle's Rock. You can see it over there. Okay, so another location, Eagle's Rock. Just arrived at the spot. You can see it there, standing proudly. Would be really nice place for hike, like to come in between there. Not today though. Let's get some nice shots. Ladies and gentlemen, another scenic location, Mullagmore Head, something like that. See them plates? That's like very characteristic land formation for Ireland to me. So cool, like so even. It looks like man-made. I'm gonna show you. There's some castle there. And that's my mom.
Hello.
So lucky to have this weather today. So I was just admiring the beauty of these amazing rock formations when the mic broke, the battery died. So I was just saying that it would be a nice spot to do some climbing. After running up that hill, I had a chance to take the last glance over these amazing, stunning rock formations, and I was just saying that Ireland is so lucky to have this coastline that I couldn't get enough of. Truly beautiful. Alright, So it's time to get into the car and on to the next location. Okay, so here we are now in front of Ben Bulben Table Mountains. Let's get some shots. Record. Finally, here we are in town of Sligo, and that's where we go on flip side for some burgers. I found a video on YouTube recommending this place, so let's give it a try. There is an old saying that all roads lead to Rome. Couldn't be any different in Ireland. The only difference is that all roads and trails lead to a pub. Scotia. Let's try this burger. Already did try it.
So juicy.